morning children. Welcome back to math session. I hope you practiced exercise 1.1 and 1.2 well, because we successfully completed both the exercises 1.1 and 1.2. Now in 1.3 exercise also we have completed some topic. Okay, so all of you open your textbook, page number 21. Okay, if you open page number 21, there I finished first Roman and second Roman. Okay, first Roman and second Roman I finished. Now see the third question, third Roman. Okay, third Roman first question. Here I'll explain each and every sum. Listen very carefully children, because I am giving you CW separately as a PICS, means I am sending you CW once again after the class. Immediately after the class I am sending you the CW. So only explanation part will be here. Again I will not write the whole sum and I will explain, but I will not do again the process and everything. The process and everything will be there in your CW. That means what PICS I am sending, you can go through that PICS. But here only I will give the explanation part. Okay, here I will give explanation part and writing the same sum again and again. So it takes lot of time. Okay, see the classwork book which I am sending the PICS and write with neat handwriting. Okay, and get ready for the correction children. I think they have given some dates for you to come to the school and submit your CW. Okay, will be available from the 30th. Okay, so on that day you can come and you can give the book immediately. We'll give the books to you. Just come and show the book and go. Okay, see the third question now. Exercise 1.3, third question. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a is equals to? For any integer a, minus 1 into a is equals to is asking. So as we discussed earlier that, okay, if you multiply 1 with any number, you will get always the same. Similarly here, if you observe here, minus 1 into a, first here the symbol is minus, so minus you write, because minus here nothing is there means plus. So minus into plus is minus. 1 into a is a. So this is the answer. So the answer is minus a. Now see the fourth question. In that second round, this is the third Roman first question and third Roman second question now. Minus 22. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Means product with minus 1 means we have to multiply with minus 1. Okay, and check that answer. If the given number is here minus 22, so minus 22 into minus 1, minus 22 into minus 1, if you multiply, how much you are going to get is asking. So here once again I am reading the second question. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Means product with minus 1 means we have to multiply with minus 1. He has given the questions here. Minus a, minus 22, b bit 37, c 0. See here, I'll explain all the sums here. The first question is minus 22. Now he is asking determine the integer whose product with minus 1. That means the given number is there, no, minus 22. This one we have to multiply with minus 1. We have to multiply with minus 1. Now see the answer. Minus into minus plus. 22 ones are 22. Okay children, is it clear? Next, b bit 37. Again 37 into minus 1. So 37 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 37. Why? Because here nothing the symbol plus. So plus into minus minus, 37 ones are 37. And C bit 0. So 0 into minus 1. And you all know everything that if you multiply any number with 0, you always get the answer 0. Okay, no need to copy anything in that classwork. Just I am going to send you the CW after the immediately of this class I am sending. So you can copy that. But only listen carefully how you are getting the sums. Okay children. Now coming to here, fourth question. Starting from minus 1 into 5. Starting from minus 1 into 5. That means we started with minus 1 into 5. Which one? The question number 4. Write various products. Various product means other products. Products means multiplication. Showing some pattern to show that minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. Means until unless you get minus 1 into minus 1 equals to plus 1, you keep on doing the sum. This one means, but start from here. That means we have to start from here. See very carefully. Here the question is minus 1 into 5. Here the question is minus 1 into 5 is given. Now next what will be minus 1 into 4, because the question itself is given as minus 1 into minus 1. It keeps on decreasing. So come in decreasing order. So minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 means here minus 5. And minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Okay. Next minus 1 into 3. That is minus 3. Okay. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next minus 1 into 2 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Okay. Don't think that minus 1 you got. Here see the question. Minus 1 into minus 1. Until unless then you have to do that. So minus 1 into 1 before 0. So minus 1 into 0, 0. Now minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, they are coming in decreasing order. 0 before minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 what? You have to get plus 1 here. So don't say that here minus, here it is plus. Very clearly you should, all will stop here. Here 1 is there, 1 is there. All will stop here. That's wrong answer. See that minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. That is the question he has given. He started from minus 1 into 5 and we have to end with minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. So in between numbers we are writing here. Okay, in decreasing order if you write, you are going to get the minus 1. So is it clear children? Next. Well children, listen, fifth question there. Find the product using suitable property. Find the product using suitable properties. Okay, that means you already learn properties, you know, associative, closure, commutative, distributive, everything you learn. So is asking find the product using suitable property, means is asking us to do the multiplication. Okay, how is asking to do the product? Using suitable identity. That means either closure, commutative, associative, whatever the property will be suit for that problem. With that property we have to simplify that sum. Okay. Now here the first question is given in 5th Roman. Find the product using suitable property. Here the first one is A, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, and children, you already know the properties very well. Okay, if you clearly observe here in the question, see here I am writing the question once again. 26 into minus 48 plus of minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, once again I am seeing the question. You always should be very alert in writing the question. Okay, so the question is correct. Now, here the plus which divides into two parts like this, and it tells you now here minus 48 is there, minus 48 is there. What you observe clearly, here also minus 48 is there, in this also minus 48 is there. That means there is a common number here, that is common integer, that is minus 48. So here also minus 48. Do you get any idea about this identity, that means property? I'll tell you here. A into B plus C. If you write like this, just simply I'm telling you how we have to write. A into B plus A into C. That means which property can you tell you, children? Distributive property. Okay, distributive property. Why? Because A into B and A into C. But here, see the given question here. If you clearly compare with this question, you will understand that one, this is distributive property. Why? Because A into B, A into C. In this both A is there. That means when it is the question is given in this way, you can write it like this. Okay. That means, see here. Here by distributive property, or distributivity property, anything same. Distributivity property. Okay, A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Now the question is, compare this question with this. This is looking like this. Because A is there, A is common in this. So when it is common like this, you can write in this way. Is it clear? When the question is given in this way, now answer should come in this process. Then you can simplify very easily. Okay. Now, here A you can take as minus 48 into B means 26 plus symbol minus 36. Okay. Listen very carefully. You may not understand here only. Here compare this one with this. Here which is looking common here? A. A means here 48, because in this both 48 is there, minus 48. So that's why it is common. So when it is the question is like this, you have to write in this way, because distributive property is like this. So you can write in simple way and you can do simplification. Now A into B plus C. Now what is A according to this question? Minus 48. B here 26. And C will be minus 36. Now you can simplify very easily. Minus 48 into 26 plus into minus 36. Okay, equals to minus 48 into 26 minus 36. So 1 plus and 1 minus, what to do? Subtraction. Okay, so 36 minus 26 is minus 10, children. 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 2, 1. So minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 48 into 10 is 480. Okay? Is it clear? Don't write, only listening. Just to listening purpose only, because I'll explain and I am giving the notes again, right? So explanation part, because pay more attention only on explanation. Is it clear, children? We'll go for the next sum. Okay, children. Now see the second question here. Give it 8 into 53 into minus 125. Okay. So which property we have to apply here? I'll tell you one small clear picture here. See, multiplications. When you are doing multiplications or addition, always we will prefer for means like 10, 100, 15, 25, 30, 45. Why? Because the calculation is very easy. Like 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 20 plus 30, 40. 50 plus 40, 90. 20 plus 20, 40. 20 plus 10, 30. So like that, we can easily calculate. Okay. Similarly, for multiplication also, we will choose that type of numbers then it will become very easy. 8 into 40, 8 4s are 32, 0. So 8 into 40, 8 into 40 no. So 8 4s are 32, 0 left, 32. So 320. So like that you can multiply easily. See here, I am giving you 2 into 3 into 5. Like this it is given. So better if you multiply 2 5s are, it's means you can rearrange. Multiplication means it's not the compulsory that you have to process 2 into 3, 3 into 5. You can rearrange like that anything, and which is easy, means which is your comfort zone, you have to do in that way. So 2 into 5 how much? 10. 10 into 3, 30. Finished. So like that, see, if it is multiplication or whatever it may be, it becomes easy when zeros are there, or if you multiply, see here, 2 5s are 10, so it became 10. So 3 into 10 is easy, no? So like that. Suppose one more number, 4 into 12 into 25. I gave like this. So 4 12s are 48, 48 into 25 you can do. But once you think logically, 25 into 4, not always the first and third term, maybe 25 here also you can do multiply. 4 into 25, 100. 100 into 12, so 1200. So is easy multiplication. Suppose 6 into 5 into 42. Like this the question is there. Then 6 5s are 30 because 0, 30 is there. 30 into 42. When 0 is there, it becomes very easy for multiplication. So 6 5s are 30 into 42. See here, now 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 0 left, 0 right at the end. Finished. So this is the way of calculation by using any property like this. Now here, coming to the B bit here, 8 into 53 into minus 125. Okay. See here, that's why I asked you to learn tables. Okay. Tables, daily tables. So 8 into 53 into minus 125. Okay. Now if I can do 8 into 53, it becomes more, no problem, nothing will happen. But if I multiply 8 into 5, you will get 0 because 8 5s are 40. At the units place you are getting 0. So why can't you take 8 into minus 125 into 53. Okay, 8 into minus 125 into 53. That means you are using like which property? Also commutative property. A into B equals to B into A. Anyway you can do multiplication. So okay, you can write here A into B equals to B into A. Means any vice versa. Either 8 into 125 or 125 into 8, anything. So here you write here which property? Commutativity property. Commutativity property or commutative, anything same. Now 8 5s are 40, very easy now. 8 5s are 44, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, 2 left, 8 1s are 8, 9 10, so 1000. See here, 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10, so 1000 into 53. Is it clear now? Now it is applicable. See, 53 into 100 or 53 into 1000 or 1000 into 53, anything same. So 53 ones are 53 and 3 zeros you can apply here. So it will become very easy, 53,000. Similarly, all the problems you can solve in this way. Okay. Now all of you open next sum, that is sixth sum. I will tell you at the sixth sum. Sorry, next sum is sixth sum. No? Sixth sum. A certain freezing process required that a room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees. Means starting the lower means starting there from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. Means at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Means freezing means it's reducing. So it's reducing. But where the temperature, room temperature is starting position 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius is there at the starting. But here for every hour 5 degrees is getting reduced. For every hour 5 hours it's getting reduced. Now is asking the question, what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? First we have to calculate for 10 hours how much. 10 hours how many degrees is getting reduced. Then from the beginning, process begins. When it begins at 40 degrees. So 40 degrees minus what, you get this answer. Listen here. I'll explain here. Here the beginning 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. The beginning is 40 degrees Celsius. Now per hour how much hours at the rate of 5 degrees per hour. For 1 hour. Per means 1. For 1 hour 5 degrees. For 1 hour 5 degrees Celsius is getting reduced. But for 10 hours how much? For 10 hours means 10 into 5. That is nothing but 50. Listen. 1 chocolate cost 5 rupees. 5 chocolates cost 5 into 5, 25. Similarly, 1 hour 5 degrees Celsius. For 10 hours 10 into 5, 50 degrees Celsius. Now subtract these two. 40 from the process now. From the process begins at what? 40 degrees. So 40 degrees minus 50 degrees. So that is nothing but minus 10 degrees. So after 10 hours the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Is it clear, children? Now all of you open your worksheet book, children. Children, as I told you in the earlier, you have NCERT practice workbook mathematics. Okay. So all of you open worksheet number 1 here. You may get doubt now, sir, we don't have means what to do. Actually most of the children have purchased the books from the school. Who purchased from the school, definitely they are going to have this book. If not, okay, go to the school and purchase this book. Until then I am going to send that worksheet as a pics, okay, for you for practice. Now all of you open page number 5, that is integers chapter only. What chapter we are doing, basing on that only extra sums will be there in this. Okay, so in this chapter 1 integers mathematics, that is page number 5, you have worksheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 7 worksheets for you in PA1. Okay, so today homework you have to do worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2 and 3. Okay, listen very carefully. Your maths homework right here, maths homework, date 28/6/21. Okay, now page worksheet, you write here practice workbook, practice workbook. Okay, practice workbook, worksheet 1, 2 and 3. So the next day I will send the answers for 1, 2 and 3 worksheets. So for today this is the homework. And what is the classwork? Today what I explained, that you have to write in CW, and worksheet you have to do in this book only, not in homework book. In this book itself you can do it. Possible, try to do with pencil. If any mistakes comes, you can erase and you can do it. Okay, so you can do it itself only, like it's a workbook. Okay, so now you may get doubt, sir, the books we don't have, means the children who don't have these books, what to do? I gave you the clarity that you can have to go to school and purchase. Until unless then, where you have to do means do it in the homework book, children. Okay, because I am going to send the worksheet 1, 2, 3 pages to you. Okay, that is your homework for today. Have a nice day, children.